How to stop heartburn permanently using natural remedies. If you struggle with a burning sensation in the chest whenever you eat, then you most likely have a problem with your stomach acid. Your stomach's natural acid should be between 1 and 3 on the pH scale. This is very strong and is important for breaking down your food. If the pH goes a little too high, then you will have heartburn and possibly acid reflux into your throat. In today's video, we will share with you 10 natural remedies to stop heartburn fast. We will also explain how to fix this problem permanently. Remedy 1. Apple cider vinegar. Take 2 to 3 capsules of apple cider vinegar before each meal. This will strengthen your stomach acid to help your food break down properly. Alternatively, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink this before you eat. Remedy 2. Take digestive enzymes. If heartburn is a persistent problem, then your stomach may need help in digesting certain fats, carbohydrates and proteins. You can take a digestive enzyme supplement which contains betaine hydrochloride. This will help your body to absorb more nutrients from your food, fix your heartburn, and help to heal the stomach from damage. Remedy 3. Vitamin D. Over 1 billion people worldwide are deficient in vitamin D because we do not get enough sunshine on our skin. Take long walks in nature for at least 20 minutes per day to help your body make more vitamin D to support the smooth muscles in your stomach. Alternatively, you can take a vitamin D3 supplement. Remedy 4. Quit caffeine. If you have acid reflux or heartburn, then coffee and tea may make your problem worse. Cut back on caffeinated drinks and start drinking chamomile tea 3 to 4 times per day. This is a soothing herb which helps to lower inflammation in the stomach and heal the protective mucous membranes. Remedy 5. Ginger. Start adding fresh ginger as an ingredient to stir-fries, soups and curries in your cooking. You can also make ginger tea by adding it to hot water and simmering for 15 minutes. This spice contains compounds that help with digestion by supporting the stomach, gallbladder and the pancreas. Remedy 6. Wheatgrass Juice. To help repair an inflamed esophagus from acid reflux and soothe the stomach, start to consume 1 teaspoon of wheatgrass juice powder mixed in a glass of water daily. This is the richest source of chlorophyll, one of nature's best healers for the stomach and digestive system. Remedy 7. Potassium and Sodium. Potassium and sodium are 2 raw materials that your body needs to make important stomach acids. Consume more leafy green vegetables like broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, arugula and beet tops to raise your potassium levels. You should also add sea salt to your meals because your body requires sodium for a healthy stomach. Remedy 8. Drink more water. Many people live off soda drinks, coffee and alcohol. Unfortunately, these drinks deplete your minerals and can cause hormonal changes which leads to acid reflux and heartburn. Start drinking more clean mineral water each day. Volcanic sourced mineral water is the best because it contains more trace minerals. Remedy 9. Shellfish. If your acid problem has caused damage to your stomach or intestines, then you need more zinc to help heal the area. Eat shellfish like mussels, clams, crab meat, cockles and oysters at least 3 times per week. These are loaded with trace minerals like zinc which help to heal the stomach and prevent stomach ulcers and gastritis. Remedy 10. Basil Leaves. As a quick fix for pain and heartburn, chew on 2 to 3 basil leaves. The natural compounds in these leaves help the stomach to make more mucus, which in turn helps to relieve heartburn. As you can see, it's possible to fix your diet in order to stop heartburn permanently. eating too many refined grains, flour products, sugar and alcohol is often the main cause of acid reflux and heartburn. Refined foods are harder for the stomach to break down and can deplete your important minerals like potassium and zinc, which are needed to make more stomach acid. To fix this permanently, you must improve your diet by making healthier lifestyle choices and building healthy eating habits. If you wish to learn more about this topic in more depth and detail, please see our previous video entitled How to Fix Acid Reflux or GERD Naturally and Permanently. I've dropped a link to this below the video. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.